Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of C.A. Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making one of my favorite things to make, which is pesto, but it's not your standard kind. So today I'm making a fettuccine alla cilantro pesto. Now, if you really want to get technical, this is more of a pesto. So pesto is usually an herb sauce, very similar to like a chimichurri. It has fresh herbs, garlic, a bit of lemon juice, olive oil as a binder, and that's pretty much it. Salt and pepper, and it's really easy to make. I make this out of so many different types of herbs, whether it's parsley, kale, watercress, basil, on a more traditional front. Honestly, the options are pretty endless, and it's a great way of using up tender stems because there's tons of flavor that can be found in that as well. And I really just hate wasting food, so this is my way of like using things up. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye! Yeah.